Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige Toothbrush, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige rechargeable electric-powered toothbrush with Sense IQ. Experience the advanced Sense IQ technology that senses, adapts, and cares for your teeth. Remove up to 20 times more plaque than with a manual toothbrush. Achieve up to 15 times healthier gums in just 6 weeks compared to a manual toothbrush. Enjoy seamless one-touch control with an intuitive touch interface design. Compatible with Android OS 8.0 or above and iPhones on iOS 13.0 or above. Sleek and compact design, perfect for any bathroom counter. Comes with a premium leatherette travel case featuring USB charging for convenience. Includes one connected Sonicare Prestige toothbrush handle with Sense IQ technology. Also includes one premium all-in-one brush head for comprehensive oral care. The frosted charging stand adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. The Prestige travel case ensures your toothbrush stays protected on the go. Subscribe and save on genuine Philips Sonicare brush head replacements. Save up to 15% with the Subscribe and Save program. Enjoy a superior clean and healthier gums with every use. Upgrade your oral care routine with the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. Experience the future of dental hygiene today with Philips Sonicare. Rated 4.1 stars. Order today for $379.96.